Do you know where seahorses swim? Seahorses normally swim in shallow sea, but you can also see them at the Val Canalnovo Nature Reserve in Marano Lagunare. Here, the seahorses live in a special aquarium, which has been created to mimic a lagoon environment. Seahorses have a head which has a similar shape to that of a horse, and a curled tail, which can be classed as prehensile because seahorses use it to hold on to seaweed or coral when they're tired of swimming around. These are a very strange type of fish. They swim backwards, but that's not the only unusual thing about them. Mummy seahorses and daddy seahorses stay together their whole lives. And when the female produces eggs, she lays them in the male's belly. Daddy seahorse carries the eggs in a small pouch until the babies are born, a rare example of male pregnancy. The Val Canalnovo Reserve was once used for fishing, but today it's a conservation area to ensure the survival of the lagoon and its heritage. The visitor centre has buildings built in the style of the local casoni. These are small thatched one-room buildings which were once used as a shelter by the people who fished or hunted in the lagoon. One of these buildings is home to a small multimedia laboratory. Here, using a microscope hooked up to a computer, you can study plankton, the name given to different minuscule aquatic organisms, which are the main food source for many fish, as well as for our seahorses. With the microscope, you can see how much life there is in just one single drop of water.